What's up, everybody? Today we're doing some maintenance on the teal coupe. It's got some pretty horrible noises coming from the suspension over here, and so we're gonna check that out, see what's up with that, and we're gonna put some amber corner lights in also. If you're here just to see the amber corner light install, the timestamp will be in the description, so you can fast forward to that. So Tim's over here. It's getting the lug nuts loose, and then we'll get it jacked up and see if we can find a problem. We got this corner off the ground, which it's times like this that I wish I had a regular lift, but so we just give it a little shake to see what the problem was, and I'm pretty sure we got a bad wheel bearing. That's excessive. So to make things easier on us, we actually pulled a whole spindle that was in good shape.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Is there any slop here? So he's got the exact opposite problem I had on my red car. His inner and outers are super tight, really good shape, but then his wheel bearing is completely gone.
Yeah.
What we're going to do here is we're going to pull the tie rod here, the ball joint on the bottom, and this ball joint up here on the top, axle nut off, caliper off, and then this whole assembly should just come right off there.
Oh wow, that was really loose.
So there's that.
Yep.
So next will be ball joints and calipers. You get them?
Normally it's not this easy, but if you remember from our last video, we just had all this stuff off.
That one's actually got a new ball joint in it. Anytime you do suspension work on ball joints, it's always good to replace your cotter pins. There you go. And then from here, it's just pull your torque on them, install your new cotter pins, then the caliper goes back on, attach your line back to the side of the spindle, and that's all there is to it. Alright, got all this torque to spec. It calls for 43, this one was 36, and that one was 29. So new cotter pins in all three. So we're actually putting drilled and slotted rotors on here, but we slid the caliper back on so I could hold it still so we could get these stock set screws out of this old rotor. So pull that back off, and we can get this junk rotor out of here. Got the new rotor on, got new pads in the caliper, so now we'll just slide that caliper back on for the last time. It goes. Side's all done, everything's fixed, no more wheel bearing movement, everything's tight. And then on the other side we're going to do the drilled and slotted and the new pads, and then we'll do the amber corner lights. Go ahead and put that so all the suspension's back together, and this is this is what we're going to be putting on there. Should be pretty straightforward. Just this one screw right here. And then it should just slide right out. Then we'll be able to get access to the bulb. Right there, just turn that and it should pop right out.
So shiny.
That looks nice. And then just the same way it came out, just put it in and then turn it. There's a slot here, a slot here, and 2 tabs back there. There it is. Nice, I like that. Alright, so here's your before and after. There's the second one. So there they are. Both of them in. I think they look pretty good. I like it. That's going to be all for this video. Just a little maintenance day on the... thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next week. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Peace.